Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screen on a Compaq 610 laptop. I ordered this screen from screencountry.com. I'll put a link in the description. But you want to start off by removing the 8 little rubber pads that are on these 8 points on the computer. The 2 on the bottom corners are really flat and hard to get off. However, they will come off. And there are some clips on the bezel, and those will just pop right off. And then the whole thing will come out. I'm going to set that on the side. And down here in the bottom corner, it's a little harder to get to, but there are screws, 2 of which that will let the screen lift away from the back cover. You know, make sure we get those out. It's a little tricky because of the angle of the screwdriver, and it won't open anymore. And the same thing on the other side. Okay, and removing those will allow the back cover and the screen to separate. Now, on the side of the screen, there are 4 screws on both sides. Now, those need to come out in order for the new screen to be put in. And these are a different size and shape, so there shouldn't be any worry about mixing them up with the other screws. Okay, and then the screen should come loose, and on this particular model, this video connector is on the right side, looking at it upside down right now, and the little plastic will just peel off, and the video connector comes off like so. Now, with the replacement screen we got from Screen Country, we can on this particular model, they give you an extension ribbon in order for the video connections to be on the same side. So you want to connect your existing cable into that extension, like so. And replace the screen screws, which are the smaller 8 screws on both sides of the screen. Okay, now we're gonna get these bottom corners, and I found that in order to do that, it's a little easier to screw the top corners into the body of the screen. That way the body of the screen and the actual screen stay together, the LCD. So, okay. Now that should make it easier to get to these a little bit more hard to reach places. And you're going to get the bottom 2 holes . Okay, and now that those are in place, we can remove the placeholder screws we placed up here and replace the plastic cover. Okay, and the plastic cover has these grooves, and there's these little rubber spacers that go on these metal, on the metal holders in there. And each rubber one is different, and there's a bigger space, there's a smaller space on this side and a bigger space on this side, and each one, like this one, has a wider rubber end, so it'd go over here, and this one over there. Clip the plastic cover back into place. And replace the screws and the little rubber pads. And there you go. Okay, and you've successfully replaced the screen on your Compaq computer. Thank you, and I'll put links in the description for where I got everything.